First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range, oh, a brand new range, oh.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Xplore Mindz podcast. I'm Rohan Aru. In our first two episodes of this season, we talked about phones and school stress. Today we are talking about something a bit deeper: who our children are and how they fit in. The world is changing fast. Schools today look and feel very different from when we were kids. You might hear words like inclusion, identity, or diversity and feel a bit more overwhelmed or even worried. But if we strip away the big words, this episode is really about one thing: belonging. Because when a child feels like they truly belong at school, they do better in everything else. Think about it this way. Have you ever tried to do a difficult job while wearing shoes that were two sizes too small? It's hard to focus on the work when your feet are hurting, right? For a student, identity is like those shoes. If a child feels they have to hide who they are, whether it's their family's culture, the language they speak at home, or how they feel about their gender, it's like they are wearing tight shoes all day. They spend so much energy worrying about fitting in, or even judge it that they don't have enough energy left for math, science, or making friends. When we support a school where every kid feels seen and respected, we are not just being nice, we are helping them take off those tight shoes so they can finally run. As parents, it can be a shock when our kids start bringing home new ideas. Maybe they want to express themselves differently, or they start talking about social issues you didn't grow up with. It's natural to feel a bit defensive or want to say that's not how we do things. But the best thing you can do for your relationship is to stay curious. Instead of starting an argument, try asking, "That's interesting. Tell me more about why you feel that way." You don't have to agree with everything right away, but by listening, you are showing them that your home is a safe place. If they can talk to you about the small things, they'll come to you for the big things. Finally, let's look at the real world. When our kids grow up and get jobs, they are going to work with people from all over the world. They'll have bosses, teammates, and customers who are all different from them. Teaching our kids to be inclusive, which just means being respectful of everyone, is a huge superpower. If your child can walk into a room and treat everyone with kindness regardless of their background or identity, they are going to be a leader. They'll be the person everyone wants to work with. Inclusion is not just a school subject. It's a life skill that makes them a better person and a better professional. At the end of the day, we all want the same thing for our kids: to be happy, confident, and respected. By keeping our hearts and our ears open, we help them get there. Thanks for listening to episode 3. Next week, we are looking at the digital mirror, how social media makes our kids compare themselves to everyone else and how we can help. I'm Rohan Aru, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a nice day, guys. Bye. Thank you.
First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range, oh, a brand new range, oh.